Your home may not be the safe haven you think it is. Electrocution can and does occur, resulting in shocking injuries and even death. However, you can protect your family with National Safety Switches. A fully approved Siemens safety switch is designed to detect earth leakage faults. When it does, it switches all power off within a 40th of a second and is now compulsory in all new homes. National Safety Switches can install a Siemens safety switch in your home for only $239. And for those families who call now, we'll include a free wiring check of your switchboard. So for you and your family's sake, call National Safety Switches on 796-2926. Our lines are open now.